Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel if you're new here. Hi, my name is Annisa and I post fashion, beauty, life care, skincare, everything kind of care because I'm all over the place, but like, who isn't? Anyway, so for today's video, I'll actually be reviewing a product I was sent, and I'll just do my everyday, really minimal full face of makeup. I won't do foundation just because it's a lot and I'm literally just staying home. I'm just going to be recording another video which should be up before this one. It's going to be my Target haul, so go check that one out when you're done watching this one. I'll link it down below. So I don't want to wear a full face makeup really. I'll just be doing my eyebrows, mascara, lips, and that's it. But it is an eyebrow product that I will be reviewing today. Before we get into the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below letting me know what brow products you use, since this is a brow product review. If you've used this one, if you like it, if you don't like it, or if you use something completely different that you love, or if you use something that you hate currently, let me know, because I love knowing what other people use and maybe even testing it out in the future, because I'm a nosy person and I like testing out things all the time. I'm not a loyal customer to anything really, and it's awful. I'm always testing out new things. I will love something and I'm like, but what if? And then I go try something out. So just let me know in the comments. Why not? Anyway, let's get into the video. So this is the box. I know it's like small. This is from Influencer and Too Faced. I believe it's Too Faced. Let me open it up. Okay, yes, it's Too Faced. This is the Too Faced Pomade in a pencil. Be as bold as your brows. Here's the little thing that they sent me. So it says it's a 3-in-1 formula, pencil, pomade, and gel in one step. So this is all I'm going to use on my eyebrows today. I won't be using my normal Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade and gel. I'll just use this and see how it goes. So what else does it say? This innovative 36-hour waterproof pomade in a pencil has all the benefits of a traditional poured pomade without the fuss, mess, or stress. Rich color blends naturally with your brow hairs, waterproof, 3-in-1 formula, blah, 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 blah. Okay, I already read that part. So 36 hour is really cool. I don't know why anybody would really need that long of a waterproof product, because you shouldn't sleep in your makeup. That is something I will always push. I don't believe you should ever sleep in your makeup. That's so bad for your skin. Multiple reasons. Don't fight me on that. I know it's bad. I'm in love with this packaging. Just like off the bat. Like, okay, so if you watched my Apple iMac review, which I do plan on doing an update on that, just bear with me. I'm planning on doing an update on that. But I did talk about the packaging for that and how I feel like the packaging is overdone, and how you're paying more for the packaging than the product, and how, you know, brands put a lot of money into packaging. I do believe that brands should be putting money into packaging, and it should be well done to where it's like an experience when you open it, but it shouldn't then be so much money where you're then where you're then making your customer pay so much money because you're literally having them pay for the cost of the packaging. Like, that was your own choice to make the packaging that much money. I don't think this falls into that category. I think it's just cute, it's pretty, it's something that I think Too Faced definitely can do, and it doesn't add to their price. I think it's super cute. It says pomade in a pencil. This is in dark brown. My eyebrows are pretty dark, so it's cool. Let's see if it's actually what I need. So opening up, if I can get it out. Whoa. It kind of reminds me of like a bullet or like a rocket. I don't know my terminology. Wow, this is really interesting looking. The design is definitely great. It's a heart. Do you see that? It's a heart. Hello. It's not flat on the bottom, so it doesn't stand. I definitely think that's like a design thing. I don't know, I feel like it should have been flat so then you can just stand it up on like your table. So like you just have it standing, you can just grab it, do your brows, put it back down, it's standing. I think that definitely could have been a thing that they did, but whatever. So let me see. Is it going up? Am I doing this wrong? Okay, it is going up. So this is really weird. It's not pointed, really. It's a really thick, let me get that going. It's really thick tip, and it's not like pointed like normal brushes I've seen. This side is just the little brush. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and stop talking and actually show you me using it. So I'm just gonna brush my hairs up. I also have my mirror here, so I'll look in my mirror. I'm just gonna brush all my hairs up. I don't want to get this in my hair either, which I'm pretty sure I just did. But then I'm just gonna go in and just kind of fill in the spots I know are a little sparse or look a little sparse, because my hair is my eyebrows are multicolored. My eyebrows are mostly dark brown, but then they have like a tendency to have a little bit of blonde in them. I'm getting distracted. I'm just looking at how this fills in. Okay, and then going back. Now you definitely can't pull back in. So if you screw too much out, you can't screw it back in. So that's a huge issue for me technically, because I like to definitely overdo things. But I definitely think this is nice so far. It doesn't feel like really hard or chalky trying to get on my eyebrow, if that makes sense. If you've ever used like these type of eyebrow pencils before, you kind of know what I'm talking about, where it's really hard and like the only way you can really get it off is if you like warm it up somehow. I've had this sitting in the box in my room for a couple days now, so it's like it was sitting outside and got warm. It's just been sitting here in the box in my cool room. So I mean, there's that brow versus that brow so far. I definitely think it's working. Let me do the other brow. Let's just like start on the other brow. It does wipe away really easy though with the little brush that it comes with. So that's really cool. It's just weird because I don't know, like I feel like it's good. I don't know, I'm like looking for something to really hate about the product itself, and I'm not. Like, first impression, I'm trying to find something that I'm like, ugh, I hate that, and I just can't find anything. I mean, other than like packaging wise or whatever I said, but it's actually really good. My camera cut me off, and I'm not sure where it cut me off, so here we are. But what I was saying was that it definitely, I can feel like it's holding my eyebrow really well. I'm sitting here doing this brushing, and it's like, I can feel it's just like all the hairs are in place. So it definitely has that gel kind of feel. Let me feel it with my fingers. Well, that's weird. I can definitely feel the product. I don't think any's coming out in my fingers. That's weird. Definitely feels like a gel, but still like movable with one of these brushes, which is nice. If I decide I want to be fluffier. I think that's good. I think that's what I want to be right now. Okay, so let's go ahead and just do I just did my eyebrows. Let's do my eyelashes. So I'm gonna go in. This whole thing is just really beat up, just for multiple reasons. This is the Bad Gal Bang Benefit Lash Mascara. I've had it for a while now. I definitely should be getting a new one soon. But with the pandemic, I stopped wearing mascara a lot, so I didn't really find a reason to go get more. But now that I'm wearing mascara a little bit more for videos and stuff, now I'm like, oh, maybe I should go get some more. I look way more awake now with like this mascara. So I'm gonna let that dry for just a second, and while I let that dry, I'm gonna put on some of my Luscious Lip butter from Truly. I just put a little bit on my fingers and wipe it in. I definitely love this stuff. I've been digging into it a lot. Okay, so now I've let my mascara dry a little bit. I'm going to go in with the Nars Climax Extreme. This is just a little sample product I have. I think I went into Ulta and I bought it like before the pandemic. I want to try it out and I definitely love it. I definitely would buy a full one once I need to. I'm just going to go in and go in at the root and go upward because this one adds a lot of like depth to it. It makes my lashes look really thick. Yeah, it just makes my lashes look way thicker. That's definitely what I want. It's definitely what I need. Now I'm just gonna go in with this ColourPop Luxe Gloss. I'm just gonna pop a little bit of that on my lips. And that's it. I'm very impressed with this brow product actually. I definitely like this. I definitely think that it's cheaper to get this than the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade and then the Dip Brow Gel, because I do like having both because I fill in my brows and then I can keep them stuck where they're at with the pomade, and I love that. But this kind of does both. Like, I do like how my brows look. They look good. I'm impressed. I'll put down the description because I'll obviously upload this way after I record this and wearing this and everything. So I'll put in the description how it lasted throughout the day, if it really was at least quite a few hour waterproof or quite a few hour wear. Because it says it's a 36-hour wear, I'm not going to be wearing it for 36 hours. I don't believe I'm going to sleep with makeup on. But I will let you know in the comments how long I wore it for and if it stayed during that time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And again, let me know down below what brow products you use. If you want to use this, if you've already used it, let me know what you're using. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.